Ayan na guys, ang Just Residences of Makati City. Ayan. Malalim na ba? Oh, wow, ang laki ng swimming pool nila, guys. Ayan, hanggang doon. Yan, thank you for watching. Ayan na si Sis Ay. Ayan na ang ating maganda at sexy na si Sisi Ay. Ayan naman si Sisilin, ang sexy naman ni Sisilin. Ayan, ang ganda doon ng platucho. Ang bulaklak. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Punta na kayo rito and explore. Ayan na si Sispat. Oh, say hi. Hello. Oh. Thank you for watching. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching. And have a good day. Have a blessed Sunday to all.